In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install FFmpeg on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for FFmpeg. We'll be having the official link from ffmpeg.org. Just select it, and here we are having the download option. Click that. We are having options for Linux, Windows as well as Mac. So just click on the Windows one, and here we are having this Windows build by BTBN. So you can simply click it. This will redirect you to the GitHub page, and here we are having the latest auto build. So if you just scroll down here and click on this show all assets, we'll be having this latest Windows 64 GPL zip. This is for Windows 64-bit, okay? And if you're having ARM, this is the one for you. So I'm having Windows 64-bit, so I will just go with this one. So just click on it. It is around 161 MB in size, so just be patient. In the downloads, we'll be having the zip file. Right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. That is done. Now what you're doing is just cut the extracted folder and go to your local disk C, D or E, any one of your choice, and just go here and paste it. It is done. Now just go inside this, and we'll be having the bin folder. As you can see, we are having the FFmpeg application file. So you need to simply copy this path and go to search and type edit. We'll be having the edit the system environment variables. Open it. Here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, click on path and select edit, new, and paste it. Okay, it should be till the /bin folder path. After that, select OK everywhere. Now to verify it, open command prompt and just type ffmpeg space hyphen version and hit enter. And if you are getting something like this, this means that it has been successfully configured. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.